So I got a new addition here at the Century Homestead. We'll see how this does, doing a little logging. And utility vehicle. Should do pretty good. I got this on the cheap. It'd been bashed in the nose and didn't hurt the fenders of the frame or even the factory bumper for that matter. It sat for 4 years. I had to replace those front end parts. Other than that, it's not too bad. Okay, clean on the inside. Hey, the headliner's still up. The gas shocks aren't that great though. Yeah, seating for 5. Hey, the radio works too. Electric windows and locks. It's 20 years old, has 20,000 miles. 20,000, 200,000. And it's got a bunch of rust. But what do you expect for a cheap Jeep? Had to buy tires. So not only the body panels were all bashed in, the radiator condenser, power steering pump pulley, air box, you know, that kind of stuff was all broken. I went ahead and put air conditioning in it. It didn't have the compressor. I don't know why. Put cruise control back in it. I got all that working. I made those bumpers. Decided if I was going to be bashing around in the woods, really wanted decent bumpers to bend over saplings and whatnot. I also wanted really solid clevis points. This is how I'd kind of pack it up to go for a little run in the woods. I hadn't taken off the sway bar, so it was still on. Still had the tire pressure at road pressure, so I had to have the right line there to get through the mud and the ditch. Getting along really good. It's March the 2nd. It's a little slimy down in the valley, but up in the woods here it's pretty dry up on top of the ridge. My idea is to kind of speed up the log removal from the back part of the property. It takes a long time to use a tractor to make this run. So I don't know, this may be a project. Don't really know what to do. Hate to see it rot away, but golly, what can we do with it? Just don't know. To put a roof on it, at least it won't rot anymore. And then it needs a floor. Needs the floor redone. That wouldn't be that hard. But none of it's that hard. But other than it being a storage shed, I don't know. What can we do with it?